out of mercy. Whoa, well, oh Lord. See, rise me up this morning, thanks to see the rising sun. Even when it's dawning, thanks to see the day has come. The time is so perilous, can't get so dangerous. In this time we don't know who to trust. Oh no, it's so easy. Give thanks and praise, God every day. Oh yeah, it's so easy. Give thanks and praise. And the King of glory shall come in, and behold, I lifted up these everlasting doors. And I know that Jah flourish high, and He sets me free. So now I shall go on along my way. Why would it's so easy? Give thanks and praise, Jah every day. It's so easy. Give thanks and praise, Jah every day. Oh yeah. Oh well, oh Lord, well, yeah, it's not the world, it's the people that lives in it. And I'm wondering when they'll make a change. Why would, in this age and time, gotta know your purpose of living. Only in this time, the fittest can survive. Oh well, Lord, God knows I hate to see brothers killing brothers, nation fighting among themselves. Oh, it makes me wonder what will be the future, because the children need to play. Why, boy, what's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? Yeah, say, ain't nothing wrong with the world. It's the people that's in it, in it, in it. The world, what is wrong with the world? What's the matter with the world? It's so easy. Give thanks and praise, Jah every day. It's so easy. Give thanks and praise. Oh yes, oh Lord. Morning time, smile Jamaica. Morning time, smile Jamaica, morning time. Morning time, smile Jamaica, morning time. Smile Jamaica, it's the morning time. Smile Jamaica, and I say it's so easy. It's so easy. Give thanks and praise, Jah every day. It's a morning time. It's a morning time. Smile Jamaica. It's the morning time. Morning time. Smile Jamaica. Morning time. Smile Jamaica. Smile Jamaica. Smile Jamaica. Smile Jamaica. Jamaica.
Folks, give thanks and praise. It is at Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Wednesday, March 14, and we welcome everyone to Studio A. We welcome our friends at OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJam TVJ, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com. Bushman and the Rhythm 2000 Band. Wonderful sound. And of course, they'll be with us all morning. It is Wednesday. It's a Band Wednesday. Many, many more things will happen. And I'm not here by myself. Don't worry. I just love talk. And I don't give her a chance to talk just yet. But you'll soon hear from the outstanding and wonderful Empress Camille. So we hope you're good. It's time to go. It's 6 minutes after 6 o'clock already. So if you had to go at 6, then you're 6 minutes late. We will tell you a little bit about what's happening in the world. And as I said, there she is. She's on television.
Oh, my coffee is brewed.
Your coffee is brewed?
Yes, I had to wait. I had to go to the Blue Mountains. Good morning, Neva. Here, Omawale, take this for me. I had to go to the Blue Mountains to get my Blue Mountain coffee, because I'm a coffee lover. Good morning.
Have a sat.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. Good morning, Jamaica. Good to be alive. Give thanks for life. Give thanks for the opportunity.
How are the young'uns?
Be here. My young'uns are great, thank you.
Yeah.
We got Bushman. Lord, he is
so
good.
So nice, boy.
He is amazing.
Haven't heard him in a long time, but an artist that I like, an artiste that I like. I like his music. I like his sound. Has a bit of a Peter Tosh sound. I'm sure he's heard that many times before.
He has
but
a
you're good.
Smooth sound. I'm fabulous. Thank you so much.
I love your outfit, man. I always do, actually.
I love the compliments on a Wednesday. It does feel good. And I must say, when you compliment people, you make them feel good. So that should be the message today. On the road, compliment somebody and tell them they're wonderful. And smile. Smile at somebody today. All right, our friends are watching across the world. It's a good day today. What's going to be happening on this show, Mr. Bell?
Well, yeah, I already said One Spot Media and all those nice things, but I'll say it again if you want. We welcome our friends at One Spot Media. Yeah. It is International Women's Week. Yeah, I said it already.
You said the .com?
May have been a few days.
It's been a few days since the actual March 8th date, and we're still celebrating this month, right?
Yeah, but the folks from Sagicor are still highlighting women making moves in business.
Yes, and women are incredible indeed. We're going to look at a few everyday items invented by women across the world.
And the world up closer, we globetrot vicariously through a popular travel blogger and adventurer. Then make your next adventure in the new BMW X2. The folks from ATL Autobahn of the trendy ride.
I notice I always give you those car interviews, and I was asking the producer earlier, how come I don't get to come and touch one of those nice cars?
You can touch anything you want.
Can I sit in the seat while you do the interview?
You can do anything you want.
Okay.
As long as the producer approves.
That's another question. That's another question. Producer, can I sit in the car, please? And trending with Natalia O. She's got the looks for the men this morning that will have them looking delicious. The men will be looking delicious. Okay. Now in Jamaica, you have to be careful when you say man look delicious. I don't know if man want to look delicious, but the men will be looking actually dapper.
Okay.
Dapper. D. It's another D word. Delicious and dapper.
And delicious meatless eats from Ethiopia Vegan Cuisine. And they'll have you feeling positive.
But a lot of people are testing positive. We talk about HIV on the rise, a topic that was in the Hot Topics.
Recently.
Yeah. When was it? Earlier this week?
Yeah, we had it this week.
But we're going to actually go in a little deeper today and discuss the very troubling statistics and trends.
Yeah, but we have some hot topics before all of that. All right, good news is that Jamaica's tourism minister, Edmund Bartlett, he wrapped up, he did a live interview in CNN with prominent business news anchor Richard Quest on his show Quest Means Business. He was questioned on the current enhanced security measures in St. James, as well as the need to build disaster resilience for Caribbean countries heavily involved in tourism. Of course, I think you heard that he was named I think Tourism Minister of the Year or something like that. The UK is on the final leg of a European visit which will take them to Greece, Italy, Germany and the United Kingdom. in Germany. He led a delegation to the ITB Berlin International Tourismusbörse Berlin, the world's largest tourism fair, attracted 109,000 visitors and 10,000 exhibitors. And he's really been highlighted. He welcomed a record 325,804 European tourists last year, which was 31,000 more than the year before. So we congratulate Minister Bartlett and Jamaica on the move in tourism, which is great news.
Yeah.
What else?
What else? Teachers are to meet with government officials today, we are hearing, as the island's public school teachers continue their third straight day of protest. Representatives from the JTA, along with officials from the Ministry of Education and Finance and the Public Service, are scheduled to meet in an emergency conciliation meeting. It will happen today.
Yeah, they were supposed to meet yesterday.
Right.
And the teachers said they needed more time.
To get themselves together. So, it's 23,000 public school teachers were on the 3-day sick out.
Well, it's today is involved also. Interesting that some of the schools, you can't close the school, the ministry closes the school. So the principal kind of said we have no school, but apparently some of the teachers didn't go to school. So what the schools are saying, well, the school is not closed, but if you come and there are no teachers, then you have to go back home.
Right.
But they can't say the school is closed, only the ministry.
But I think they've also put some things in place.
Yeah, they have, but apparently yesterday, even with some of the things in place, a number of teachers didn't turn up, and I think some of the parents are saying, well, why am I sending my kid to school and then have to go back and pick them up and take them back home because the teachers are not there? So I think today would be the last day of it. But interestingly and importantly and wonderfully, I was watching our news and some of the teachers, like I remember seeing and hearing Denham Town Primary that the teachers did go because of GSAT. And the teachers are saying, well, the youngsters are doing GSAT, so we have to be here.
They put the children first
brilliant.
over self. And the same on the front page here as well, Neville, a teacher refuses to strike in the Gleaner today. Nice article about a teacher at Glenmuir. She's been teaching for 11 years at Glenmuir High School in Clarendon. Her name is Jodie Titus Maxwell, and she's saying basically she couldn't, with the teachers opting to stay home, she decided she would go to work because she has to teach her children. It's a great little article there. Read it on page 2.
I understand what the teachers are saying, and I understand why they're doing what they're doing. And I'm not going to side with anyone here, but it was wonderful when I saw on the news that the teachers were saying, these youngsters have studied so hard. GSAT is next week. We can't afford to just leave them on their own right now, and that's brilliant. So I hope the teachers will get what they deserve. I pray that they do. But I also pray that our kids don't suffer because of what's going on with the government and the teachers. And not only the teachers. Let's see if we could work it all out, and at the end of the day, all's well that ends well.
And while we're talking about teachers real quick, I just want to add, the teachers are doing a hard job. I've gone into some schools and looked in the classroom and said to myself, I don't know if I could be a teacher, because teachers are counselors, they're acting as parents. There's a lot of pressure.
And some of these classes are 40-something kids
too many
in
students,
there,
man. So
it's tough for them.
I just want to big up all the teachers today. We understand your plight and we rate you and respect you.
Next one, my colleague and friend, to be named the PNP Youth President. Crystal Tomlinson to be named the president of the PNPYO. So we wish her all the very, very best. It says that she's taken over from the current president, Connolly Black. And it said, the story says, according to PNP insiders, the decision to shake up the leadership was high on the agenda at an emergency meeting, which was last evening, I think, involving members of the party's youth arm. So, Crystal, congrats, and very, very good luck, my friend. Wish you all the very best.
Former festival queen as well, just to know.
And this last one is interesting. Music producer Andrew Blacks and Brent Bunting, the son of the former National Security Minister Peter Bunting, Peter Bunting. They've been charged with, it says, following an alleged altercation in Upper St. Andrew. Apparently, it was a surprise party for Andrew Blacks, and young Bunting came across and said the music was too loud. They got in a fight, I'm told. The police confirmed the incident but could not supply any details. It says Bunting sustained a fractured jaw while Blacks received injuries to his face. So that there was a good old punch up there. We certainly hope that everything has been worked out, and but they've been charged. So let's hope that this won't go too far, and we hope that their injuries will be they'll be healed very quickly, and we move on from this. So, wow. So we don't need to get there, do we?
And our neighbors in Grenada, or neighboring Grenada, Keith Mitchell has become Prime Minister again.
Yeah.
And will be serving another term, so we want to say congratulations.
Yeah. And apparently he won every single seat.
Yeah, well, yeah, and that was the same last time, I think. It was 15 seats, I think. So we just want to say congratulations. There. When is our next general election?
It is due, when? 2 years' time?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know
2
when.
years' time, huh? The 2 years they have been involved? Yeah, so 2 years' time.
Neville, turn off my phone, please. Why is it going off?
Turn off your phone.
Where do you turn off the media? See the media part.
Yeah, see, do you just turn it down?
You know, let me tell you, children, rule 101 in media. Turn off your phone before you go live. All right. Neville, did you turn on my phone?
Yeah, it's not that.
These phones have a way of doing some really weird things, people. I turned off my phone, and it's like the robot in there turned it back on. These phones are very smart and advanced in 2018.
I have a belated birthday greeting. It says Renee. Renee, they didn't give me a last name. I got it yesterday, but I wasn't here yesterday. It just says Renee, the Purple Queen. There she is. She's a Purple Queen. And it says the greeting is sent from Good Gals. Well, there you go, Renee. So I hope you had a great day, the Purple Queen. The Good Gals say they love you like crazy. I hope you had a great day. I'm sorry I didn't get to do it yesterday. And I could have sent it, but I got up a little late. So I hope you had a brilliant day, and I wish you so many, many, many more. All right?
That's it? Birthday King?
Yeah.
She's Purple Queen and you're a Birthday King.
Yeah.
That's your new name. Hashtag it. Happy birthday to all the children.
I don't know any of these people, though.
No, but that's what I say. That's amazing. Well, a true king doesn't know each individual that he serves.
Okay, thank you. I am a true king.
I want to say happy birthday to all the children who are born today. If you are born and you woke up and it's your birthday and you feel nobody loves you, do know that the Creator loves you. We here at Smile Jamaica and TVJ, we love you. And we know that you are walking in your purpose, right? Smile, put a big smile on your face and say, I'm wonderful. Hug yourself, love yourself, because you are worth something. All right? Have a great day. From Auntie Empress and Uncle
Neville, happy birthday, folks. Have a brilliant day today.
We know the key to unity of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people who believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will. Because our hearts tell us something.